Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video we are going to talk about an interesting topic, and the topic is how to get GeForce Now Premium in free. And it will be a full guideline for you guys how you will claim this premium redeem and how you can use it. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be search out the parts.google in let's open a new tab and search it. We just need to be type it the Chrome rewards, and let's enter the hit button, and we will get this parts channel over here. And here you need to be find out this file for you. The name is GeForce Now, and when you will find out, like you can see, we have many apps over here and we have get perk. Once you find out, you just need to be click on get perk. Once you click over here, now you need to be follow some process. Once you complete it, then you need to be open another tab, and here you need to be search out that redeem dot GeForce now.com and just enter, and then it will take a while, or you need to be search another thing. Let's click on redeem dot GeForce now and just hit enter, and here you can see we have the page called redeem, and we just need to be enter over here. Once we enter here, now you can see redeem your gift card or promotion. Here you just need to be enter your code which you get from that place, and then you need to be enter this code over here, verification text, then just click on redeem, and if you do it, it will be complete your work. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.